Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to create this look. I really love the way this look came out, so I hope you like this video. If yes, please do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. So let's get started. I'm using the Maybelline concealer as my eyeshadow base to cover up any pigmentation on my eyelids. And then blending it out with my concealer brush. This is a very lightweight concealer, so it will not get too cakey on your eyelids. Using my Color Essence compact powder to set the concealer. I'm using the Revolution Pro eyeshadow palette for the look today, and the first shade I'm taking is Relentless for my transition shade. And then I'm taking the shade Unruly and applying it on the outer corners of my eyes, and with a very light hand dragging it on the crease as well. Now I'm taking a clean blending brush and smoothing out any harsh edges. I'm cleaning out the inner corners of my eyelids with a Q-tip, and I'm not going to be using a concealer to do that because I don't want a cut crease look today. Picking the shade called Good Intentions and applying it on the inner corners of my eyelids. Now I'm going back to the shade Unruly and placing it on the outer corners of my eyes because I wanted a more intense look. Now for eyeliner, I'm using the Color Bar Ultimate Eyeliner in the shade 001. Using a clean cotton pad and a moisturizer, I'm going to be cleaning out any fallouts from my eyeshadow. For primer, I'm using the L'Oreal Base Magic. I'm going to be applying it only on my nose and T-zones because it blurs and smoothens out any open pores. For the rest of my face, I'm using the Kryolan Ultra Under Base Hydrating Primer. I really love the way this primer gives a healthy and glowy effect to my skin. For foundation, I'm using the MAC Match Master in the shade NC35 and NC20. Using my Real Techniques stippling brush and applying it all over my face. And then using a damp beauty blender, blending it all really well into my skin. For my concealer, I'm using the Kryolan concealer in the shade D5. This is a full coverage concealer, and as you can see, it instantly covered up my dark circles. Again using a damp beauty blender, just blending it really well. I have taken the compact powder on my damp beauty blender and I'm setting my under eye with it. And then with a fluffy brush, setting the rest of my face. For contouring my face, I'm using the L'Oreal Paris contour palette. For blush, I'm using the Maybelline Master Blush palette and I'm combining the combinations of the peach and the pink shade and applying it on the apples of my cheek. And also on the bridge of my nose. For highlighter, I'm using the MAC highlighter in the shade Soft and Gentle. I'm taking the Pro Art pencil brush and applying the shade Unruly on my lower lids. Now grooming my eyebrows and filling the sparse areas using the shade Influence from the same eyeshadow palette. For mascara, I'll be using the L'Oreal Paris False Lash Superstar. I'll be applying the Lotus lipstick in the shade Burgundy Bite. And then applying the Miss Claire lip liner in the shade L33. I'm gonna throw on my falsies and we'll be right back. Finally, I'll be using my Faces Canada makeup fixer to finish off the look. So this is the final look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. The eyes came out quite dramatic and the lips are bold, so it's perfect for a nighttime event or a party. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next one.